grant permission for this CV. Now it is working fine. Okay. Yesterday we were facing here. Okay. We don't have permission to execute the. Okay. So what I did, if you go to semantic node, so I can drag and drop whatever you want to see. See, you can drag and drop and now you can see it. Okay. And like this, we can see data. So based on your requirement, you can drag and drop. We can analyze simple. This is not reporting tool. In the HANA side itself, just analyzing the data. Okay, so the dates will come like this. Okay, and you can go to see, you can see in the raw data level. See in the raw data directly. Okay, what I did yesterday, mistake. Okay, basically I have a two server. I'm trying to create CV in this S4 HANA. So there I don't have authorization to my user ID. Whatever I'm using user ID, I don't have authorization. This is my user ID, BW4189. So I'm unable to. After I given grant permission, it's working for me. So even if you also face any issue, you can provide. So what is our schema? So we discussed it. Under the catalog we have schema. So I created schema this one. Drag and drop. So like this I given grant permission. Okay. After giving this one, okay. So we after giving the grant permission, then I can able to view the data. Okay, so expand this one. Whatever we created the table. Okay, so now I can able to see the data this table. So just remember this how to display the data, how to load the data. Do you have any doubts? How to load data from flat file? Okay, how to see the data definition of table, table definition. You can see this is the primary key, not null. You can see these values. Okay, these are the like columns in our table. This is column table. This is a schema. This is table name. Okay. And now, so we know how to load the data from flat file. So let me recall it. Just to go to file. First, we need to go here. Okay. So first, we need to go open perspective. Just click on this right side symbol, open perspective, this symbol. Okay. Here you need to select SAP HANA model. Now we will move to this symbol, corner, right side corner, SAP HANA model. Here you need to click on a file, okay, file menu bar. Here you need to click on import, and here expand SAP HANA content, data from local file. So like this, okay, like this you can load the data, your Excel sheet. Okay, yesterday we already loaded. Okay, select your file. Okay, and just once you load the data will store into this table level. Okay, and okay, this is fine. So in the real time, so you no need to load data through flat file in the real time. So already all fields are available. Okay, so now we will see how to create dimension calculation view as a dimension, calculation view as a cube. Okay, so now I will create a new calculation view. Click. See here, this is interior question bus. This is interior questions. While you are creating calculation view, the data category is selected as a dimension. Selected as a dimension. So if you set the data category as dimension, the default node is projection node. So the default node is projection node. This they are expecting, okay, in the interview. Okay, click and finish. This will behave like master data. However, we are creating in the BW, okay, material master data, okay, customer master data. Okay, plant master data, company code master data, like the same, like it will work. Okay, okay. Now, See, by default, what node will became? Projection node came. By default, projection node came. By default, projection node came. So now, if you want to add, so I want to add one more projection node. Okay. Okay. And I will add one more projection node. Okay. I have a two projection nodes. And this one I will add. Searching. Okay. No, it is, you can see right side, searching 0%. Right side, you can see. So it is checking in the database table level. Database level. This table is there or not. Okay. We have to wait until to fetch this database table. So now I can see STATW01W. Okay. Okay. Yeah, now it is started searching. For BW, we have a by default, they're giving some data sources. For SAP HANA, we don't have any data sources. We have to work on database tables only. Okay, so the data sources SAP by default created based on data sources by default they created on tables only, backend tables only. Okay, that is- okay, let me. Okay, now you can see both tables. TW1W, what is this? Plant table. This is plant table. So here you need to remember few points. Okay, so now we are going to create calculation view in SAP HANA. We are going to create in SAP HANA. Sorry, very important SAP HANA. So, and we are creating this as a dimension. So interior question, what is this is? When you are creating calculation view as a dimension, by default, which node will come? By default, which node will come? This interior question. So which node will come? Projection node will come. Projection node will come. Okay. So when you are creating calculation view, calculation view, calculation view as dimension, then it is master data. It is master data. No, it will behave like non-master data, not transactional data. It won't allow, it won't allow any measures. Measures means amount, quantity, all key figures it won't allow. Okay, just remember this point. Okay, when you are creating calculation view as a dimension, it won't allow any key figure, amount, quantity, net value, sales revenue, sales value, net price. These values it won't allow it. These key figures it won't allow. Okay. Now, so just select this one and you can select C. When I select this projection node, you can see ADRC. When you select this one, it is coming from Aditya PW STA. Okay, TW1W. Okay, they have created like a staging virtual table. Okay, what I need, so I will select a few fields. Okay, I'm selecting C. Now, when I select this one, it is coming. Okay, okay, now. if you, okay, I want three fields. Okay. This is plant name, and this is address number where located this plant. Okay. And select this one, ADRC. This is the address table. So in this also we'll take client, date from and date to. Sometimes so the plant, okay. This will have plant data, this will have address data. Sometimes, okay, plant is available in one place. Plant is available in one location. Okay, then it is not move. Sometimes no, this will move to other places also. Address will change frequently. That means 5 years once or 10 years once, changes will happen. So they wanted to know plant and this address change. Where is the address description? Okay, address description we'll see here. Okay, these are the fields are required. So now what I will do, so how we will do it? This one, okay. This one, right click. So where I'm keeping the cursor, project one, right click. So here you can see rename. So I will keep it like plant. Okay, plant. So now it is changed. It's a project two. So now right click it here and you can see address. Okay, so if right click on this one, if you want to preview data, then currently it is inactive, so it won't allow you. So this table, right click on this table, and now you can see the data as well. Privilege is insufficient. Okay, where is? Once you have privileges, you can do it. Okay. Okay, now you can see plant and address both. So this also, if you want to change, you can change it. Plant address. Space is not allowing. Oh. Okay, plant address I given it name. So now you can see both are there. Okay, now what is the mapping here? We need to like no map it. Plant to plant. Okay, client. So now this one. We'll keep this one. Okay, now you can see by default it is a inner join. So you can see in the this is also interview question. Might be they will ask you in the interview how many types of joins in the SAP HANA. So now you can see referential join, inner join, left outer join, right outer join, text join, full outer join. Okay, so now we want to perform inner join. Okay, we'll see. Inner join. And which one you want? You can select this one, address, and I will select this one. I will select this one. I will select this one. Okay, this is plant address. Okay. Now you can click this. Okay, projection node. Here also you can select all how many fields you require. Add to all output at one shot. So this is fine. Okay, at one shot we created a calculation view. So in the BW level, so how many? See, we have to create. Okay, we have to we have to create data store object, staging advanced DSO. Okay, standard advanced DSO and composite provider. So that and all we need to create here, not like the transformation and all. You can see this one. The symbol means inner join. See the symbol itself inner join. Okay, now auto assign. Where is auto assign? This symbol is auto assign. Okay, already they given it. Okay, all are dimensions only. You can see all are dimension this symbol. If it is changed as a red color, orange color, then it will be measure. So all are changes. Okay. Now check it. If you have any issue, it will throw error. So where we can see job log level, we can see. So this means yesterday we are facing some authorization issue. Okay, now you can see I don't face any issue here. Okay, once we click, okay, close. Okay, I wanted to activate it, yes. Okay, now it is going on. Activation is going on in bottom, you can see. So it's done as well. So now here activation is done. Our calculation view is activated. See, completed successfully. Okay. Now you can see the data as well. Right click, you can see data preview. Okay. So I you don't have access, insufficient access. We'll do how we will do it. Okay. This one will see. Now go here. Okay. Analytical purpose will see and try to activate it. Okay. Activation done. Something is missing. For the same user ID, do we have authorization? Let me check. Here we have a data. First we'll check in the data preview. So if we have data in here itself, lower itself, then fine. So I don't have data in the lower itself. Okay. In the projection itself, I don't have data. So like this, we have to design it. But if the data, once they maintain the data, you can able to see the data. Okay, this is the data model. In the same way, how you will lead for the master data, just comparing, okay, this is SAP HANA development. This is SAP HANA development. Okay, for the master data, how you will do it in BW system. So here you will create zero plant. Okay, this just you will activate it. Okay, already ready-made object is there. Activate it, activate it. And here in S4 HANA, in S4 HANA, we have a data source. What is this? Zero plant attribute. Zero plant attribute. So they created based on this table, based on this table. Okay, zero plant attribute. So what we will do, we will activate this one, RSA5, we will activate. And it is available in RSA6. You can see all the fields available on. Then you can replicate into BW. So then you will replicate into BW by using RSDST code. Okay, the data source is available in BW. Okay, now data source is available in BW. Okay, from here to here, you will map the transformation. You will create transformation. Just remember all the steps, how you are doing in the BW, how you are doing it in the SAP HANA. So, okay, so you will create transformation and DTP. So here you will do the all mappings, you will maintain it. Here you will execute it. Okay, if it is a BW4 HANA, no need to create info package and all right, directly you can execute it. Okay, if it is a BW on HANA, then you need to create info package. You need to create info package as well. Okay, info package, just info package, and you have to load data into PSL. Data will store into the PSL level. So from here you can execute. When you execute DTP, it will bring data from PSA to info package, info object, info object. So this is the flow in the BW. Okay, in the same way you are doing it in SAP HANA. You are just creating calculation view based on this table, TW01 table. Okay, they want to get some address as well, information as well. So that is the reason we are using giant. We are using giant operation. So in the giant level, we are creating like this. This we are making this as a inner giant. This is the address number. This is also address number. Okay, from date might be they are into like 5 years in one plant, one address level. Maybe they will change after 5 years. So we have to update that address as well. So that is the reason we are creating it. So now here you can see if you want to see the in the lower itself data preview it. So like unfortunately we don't have data in lower level. Okay, this is the data modeling in SAP HANA. You will do it. Okay, so we'll see how we will create for other one as well, material as well. We'll see. Okay, save it. So once you do, save it and activate it. So you don't need to save also. Directly you can activate it. If you do any changes, save and activate. Here you will get two options: save and activate, save and activate all. Might be you have a calculation view you open and another calculation also you open. Multiple calculation views you open. Multiple tabs you open. Once you execute second one, all tabs, all changes will save it at one time. So don't do it in the real time. Just to do it, save and activate. Okay, we don't want to other depths level to activate all objects. So just do like this, okay? Remember this point. Okay, so we'll create one more calculation view. Okay, right click and I will create it. This time we'll see the data, okay? So while you are creating calculation view, need to select this dimension. So because this is a master data, while you are seeing table itself, you need to identify it. So always you need to remember, okay, master data tables, like Mara, okay, MAKT. These are the master data tables. Okay, TW01, TW01W, and this one ADRC. These are the master data tables, and KNA1, TW0 TW0UT. So like this, you need to remember all the tables, okay, master data table. LFA1, LFA1 vendor master data. Okay, TW01, this is like company code master data. So just remember few important tables, okay. It will be useful once you join an organization. Okay, now, so I wanted to make the two tables, Mara and MAKT. So you already know the requirement, right? Mara and MAKT. So just drag and drop one projection and you can do it here also. Or else do one more thing. Okay. Or else you can do directly remove this option, remove this option. Okay. And remove this one, remove this one. Okay, remove this one. And directly you can drag and drop join. Okay, directly you can drag and drop chain. So you can click on this one and type Mara. So you are looking for Mara. So once you get right side option searching, so that means they are searching for the table in the database level. Actually, some other team will help you to replicate this table. Okay. Currently where I'm working, okay, we need to send email to the some replication team. So they will replicate the data per particular table. Whatever the newly changes, newly created records, any modified record, those records will come once they replicate it. That means like, they're handling some SLT something. Okay. Now you can see, we'll select, okay, VTR, okay. Okay, I will select this option, okay. Okay, are we have data for this? We'll see now only. Okay, how we will check it? First I will check, okay. And I will check this one. I will go to here, select start from, what is this table name? HTML, okay. What is this package? Over an HTA. Okay, we'll see here. Varun underscore HDA. So if you have replicated data, then you need to do like this. Somebody did it. Okay, execute. Exact name wrong. Okay.
STA na?
ST,
SDA.
SDA, na?
SDA.
Oh, HDA. Okay.